Hi. This feels weird. I literally have not filmed anything in like 3 weeks. I don't know. I haven't uploaded in at least 2 weeks, so this feels weird and I'm just trying to get back into it. But yeah, so I'm just gonna get my to-do list done today. I'm just trying to get back into the swing of filming. I am also gonna film another video today that's on my to-do list, so that'll go up before this one, so it'll seem like I haven't taken as much of a break, even though, you know, we're filming these on the same day. First on my list was to wash my hair. It's kind of dry now, so it's hard to tell, but did do that. And it was great because I got out of the shower and my alarm went off. So I'm already ahead of schedule today, which is awesome. I need to do my laundry. I need to film my video. I need to pack because we're going to New York on Saturday, a red eye. And I have a very busy week, as always, because I always cram everything in my week before I go on vacation, just because I feel like I have to. I need to edit some shorts that I have videos for. I need to look at my taxes. I literally started them in like the end of January because I wanted to be on top of it. And then I never looked back. And then yeah, a few other things, but I have plenty to do today. Okay, so I was just about to start my laundry, but then I remembered that I wanted to throw in this top that I'm making because it's so itchy. It sucks because the ball, like this feels so soft and nice, but then after like making something and putting it on my body, it's very itchy. So I'm hoping putting it in the wash will help a little bit, like soften it up. I don't know, we'll see. Cross your fingers for me. The amount of my own hair that I weave into my crochet projects is kind of gross. It just happens that way. My neighbor's yelling at their dog. Weaving the ends is the worst part about any crochet project. It's really annoying. What did I just do? Oh, I did, yeah. I definitely just weaved it into the wrong side. Damn it. Okay, she's ready to go into the wash. I know this looks very small. It is very small. I'm wearing it with a blazer over it, so it'll be fine, but hopefully that makes it softer, because it is not. Okay, so I feel like I shouldn't cross off laundry until I've like finished and folded it. But I'm gonna cross it off anyways because I started it, so that says something. It is 12:30 now and I've finished 3 things that I need to do. Oh, actually 4 things. I finished the crochet top. Perfect. Cool. So I feel like I really should film for my other video now. So while my laundry is going, I'm just gonna get ready and set up to film. Should we do something fun with my makeup? I honestly don't really care to wear makeup or to not wear makeup on camera, but sometimes it's fun to just do a little extra just because. I don't even know what makeup I would do. Hold on. I'll see if I can find something on Pinterest, and then if I can't, we're scrapping. Okay, I found something totally out of my league, but I'm gonna try it anyways. This like TikTok. I have tried this like eyeliner before, and I've semi-made it look okay. Yeah, we're gonna try it. It's probably gonna look like garbage, but at least we could say we tried it. And if not, I'll just wipe it off, whatever. Whatever. And I'm just gonna wing it too, because why would I try to figure out how to do it when I could not do that? Okay. That was kind of a lot. Let's try to clean that up. I'm like trying to be on camera and look at the mirror at the same time is really freaking hard. Does that look good or not? I can't tell. All right, gang, we did it. It looks crazy. I don't know how I feel about it, but you know, we're just gonna keep it. Okay, so here's the finished look and here's the outfit. Because who needs to see the bottom half of me? And I'm gonna get my camera set up to film because we're not filming on this one, we're filming on my sit-down camera. That sounded so pretentious. I'm so sorry about that. I always do this without my glasses on and I like cannot see what I'm doing. Yeah, okay. I think that's good. But I am gonna change this to green. Why did I just turn that right in my face? We ready. Okay, so I'm totally ready to film, but there's only like 10 minutes left on the dryer, so I'm just gonna do some dishes and load the dishwasher before I start filming, just because I don't want that thing to start beeping right when I start filming, because it will actually not stop beeping, which would be really annoying when I get just like situated. So I'm gonna do that for the next 10 minutes and then I'm gonna start filming. Alright, so I just finished filming my video, as you can see. Wow, it's been a while since I did a sit down. I don't know why that tired me out so bad, and I feel like I was talking so fast. So I'm gonna upload the footage and hopefully I got everything I needed and it wasn't all over the place, because it felt like it was. Also, I just realized that my light turned off. Damn, I don't know what happened. Yeah, I feel like an amateur. I think the last time I did a sit-down vlog was, not even a vlog, a sit-down video was my Q&A, which was in January. Let me just cross that off my list. Okay, so I'm filming on my phone now because I only have one memory card. I need to get multiple memory cards because I have multiple cameras, but I just don't. So I uploaded the footage. I haven't looked at it yet, but I'm hoping I can edit 2 videos at one time, like this vlog and that video. That would be ideal. It kind of gets a little overwhelming when I try to do that, but you know, I gotta get these videos out. Okay, so I just went through all of this vlog footage, and then I was like, oh, before I go, I should see how long my sit-down video portion was. It's 48 minutes. I don't want to sit through 48 minutes of listening to myself talk. I really need to get this done in the next few days, but I don't want to do it. Literally, look at this, hold on. Like, this is obviously raw footage, but look how much I have right now for my like B-roll compared to the full unedited sit down portion. Oh my gosh. I guess I'm just gonna go put on real pants now and go to the beauty store and just get that out of the way, because I will be here for a while at my desk doing this. Okay, so it is 8 o'clock now. I am absolutely hitting a wall. I think I only have like 4 more things to do on my to-do list. I just finished the rough cut of both my videos actually. I don't want to finish them. I ended up breaking the one I filmed today, I ended up breaking it down to 20 minutes instead of 50 minutes, which was good. Still a little long, but I just did the rough cut. And yeah, I don't want to finish it today, but I don't think I'm gonna have any more time after today. Send help. All I want to do right now is watch compilations of The Voice and America's Got Talent.